Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you very simple and easy steps on how to remove your contacts from Snapchat. So let's dive into our video. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat account and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now tap on the chat icon. At this interface, you can see all of your contacts. In order to remove your contact, you have to select the contact which you want to remove. Now you can see many options. Here you have to tap on manage friendship. Now you can see the option of either to report this account or to block the account or remove friend. What you have to do is click on remove friend and, and select remove. So this is how you remove your contact from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video and thank you for watching.